I came to Floating Hospital as being a victim of domestic violence. The man that attacked me was a boyfriend. There were dark secrets about him that I did not know. It led me down a horrific path. I was coming home from work. He grabbed me around my neck. I could feel my spine actually popping. And he pulled out an 8-inch knife and he plunged it into me.
The mission of the Floating Hospital is that we are here to provide family health care for those neediest populations in New York City. We mainly provide services for homeless families and women and children who are in domestic violence shelters.
For these families, it is very important that they receive mental health services. It increases the chances that they will reestablish a home, that they can heal their emotional pain, and essentially just start a new life again.
When I came, I was a mess. I was a very fearful woman. I didn't want to speak to anybody I didn't trust.
I think the biggest thing that we try and do in terms of removing barriers to get mental health services is by providing integrated care.
We provide dental, medical, and mental health all under one roof.
If a medical provider says, hey, I think this person might benefit from speaking with someone, the provider can step right in that day and start to engage them in services.
People often think that therapy sounds scary or that seeing the psychiatrist means you're crazy. But more and more we're trying to show that it's the opposite. If you have such difficulties in life, what makes sense is to get help. Often we say to them, just talk to one of our providers.
My psychotherapist, she's very warm, loving, receptive. She says, I want you to relax, and anything that comes to you, I'm here to listen. And she sat there for a while, and little bit by bit, I began to say a few little sentences, give them a little information. What I received from her was just love, and understanding. And that motivated me to trust and open up.
Many times, patients that suffer from trauma will have physical ailments, and the more they are able to address the emotional or psychological aspects, they will also be able to deal with their physical problems.
Eating right was one of the things that my therapist talked to me about. I'm taking vitamins now, I exercise now, I have overcome Hep C. So Floating Hospital, as far as my physical, have been awesome.
We want to be able to treat the whole family. So we have the majority of our therapists and providers are able to see both adults and kids.
We try to understand the family as a unit and to address the trauma in all the members of the family. The mental health team's goal is to help these families attain stability and lead fulfilling, happy lives.
I love the Floating Hospital. They have given me nothing but love. They have given me nothing but encouragement.
Thank you. So proud of
I'm
you.
proud of myself. I'm moving forward, positive.
Always told you that you could do it.
The Floating Hospital and the therapists have set a platform for me. Okay, Beverly, this is your time to shine, to let the world know what you're made of.
5 years go very fast, but you have been doing very, very well. And of course, art has been a big part of your growth, but also your own mental health recovery.
I love my art. I love my art, yes. Each time that I do a vase takes away a part of my past and brings forward my future. And each one just tells a story, a part of my life. My art is what I offer to everybody in the world. I want women to say, wow, this woman has went through so much and she overcame. Floating Hospital is a healing platform. any woman or man that comes through their doors.